want to give you a perfect example how fear and hesitation messes you up every step of the way, and we just have to try to ignore and eliminate fear as much as possible, because fear is probably the most dangerous thing to our mental health, to our financial health, and we need to try to get rid of it. But I show you an example on how unimportant fear really is. Picture this. It's Saturday afternoon, everybody's going to the mall shopping. So are you. So we go into the car, we drive down to the mall, and as we come closer to the mall, we see that more and more parking spots are taken up. Lots of people are on the way because it's Saturday afternoon, it's the busiest time. So we come closer and closer, and less parking spaces are available. At this point, fear enters your mind and says, oh, well, I am worried that we won't find a space any closer. People parking like 3 kilometers back, and I think it may be a good idea if we do the same, because once we get to the mall, we don't find a space. So we park all the way, say, 2,000 meters back and walk to the mall. And when we come to the entrance of the mall, there are 3 parking spots right in front of the front door, and nobody is taking them. How come? Because everybody thought exactly the same way as you did, and says, let's park about 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers back, so we're sure we get a spot. So next time you go to the mall, or to the grocery store, or to the theater, or to the concert, wherever you go, there will be a spot reserved just for you, all the way up front. You will see this works over and over again. I tried it many, many times. Why is this? That there are 3 spots right in front of the entrance reserved just for the brave. Because everybody is thinking the same way. We are programmed that way. Everybody is thinking the same way as you just did when you parked 2 kilometers back. Oh God, it's too busy. We're not going to find a spot. Let's park here. And what happens? Lots of empty spaces right in front of the entrance of the mall that are waiting for the brave persons that I hope you all will become after this speech here. So next time, try it for yourself and you will see it works.